Right, and so we're back on the job today. As you can see, the channel's been backfilled in with some shingle around the pipe and then some type 1 scalpings. We've got all the slabs which turned up this morning. I can't even zoom in though. Slabs are in. But yeah, a little bit behind, but not the end of the world. Tomorrow will be, I've got to do these Accos over here. Quite posh ones. A little bit more expensive, but I think they look nice. They'll go nice against the bifolds. So I've got to just tap that into everything. Get some electric in as well, which will run along the house. And then also we're going to put some water from here over to the garage. So quite a few things to crack on with tomorrow. Trying out the fluffy thing. Hopefully it works with the wind. We will see. But yeah, we've got a load of type 1 in. As you can see, compacted. We've still got to top up maybe 1 or 2 tons. I've left the new Acco drainage. I haven't backed it up, so it means that if the customers want to change the height over the weekend, it's not going to balls me up. So yeah, got all our drainage in today, got a type 1 in, Tomo's compacted it, got a conduit for the armoured cable going in. Obviously we've got a shower unit going in there, so that's going to be some extra drainage, which is the builder's doing, the builder's sorting that, so I'll be putting that in at some date. Like I say, all type 1'd in, really ready to start slabbing on Tuesday. But yeah, Acco drainage in. Like I say, we've got 2 recess drain covers for Tomo to sort out on here. Put the water in, again, builder / plumbers doing that. So yeah, it's been a good week, 4 days, got it all dug out, got the trench dug out. Yeah, what have we done? Dug out, trench dug, Acco drainage in, scalpings in 4 days. Yeah, not too bad, where I wanted to be. Yesterday we felt like we were about half a day, maybe a day behind, but feel like we've caught up with ourselves. Bank holiday weekends, obviously Queen's funeral on Monday. Everyone got it off. Are you working? What are you doing? But yeah, like, comment, subscribe. See you next week.
Go out and smash it, like oh my god. Jump out that sofa, let's get